Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an ombre lips, a glossy ombre lips using or featuring the Hush Beauty palette. So we will just jump into the video, but before then I would like you guys to please subscribe to my channel. That will just make my day. I want to wake up to see like extra 10 to 15 people subscribe to my channel. So guys, let's just jump into the video. See you guys later. So guys, I've been wearing this makeup since morning, so I just decided to film this lip for you guys. So first of all, I'm going to wipe out the gloss that I had on my lip. I've been wearing that since morning. Then apply powder all around my mouth area just to reduce the oil around the area. Then after that, I applied a little bit of bronzer, a highlighter, just to give the lip a little bit of definition. So as you can see, I'm just blending that out with a small fan brush. So this is the Hush Beauty lip palette. Yeah, I've been using it for a long time now. So I am using a small detailed brush. Sometimes I use this brush for gel liner. I use it for gel liner. But at the time I started using it for lip because it gives me that very neat line when I'm trying to outline my lip. So as you can see, you see how it is very easy to use. Very easy to use. So after lining the other side, I just move on to the other side. Just make sure I get that neat and well blended lip. It is very easy though. Just do it gradually, gently, and you get a very neat line. A very precise line. So after lining the top, I did the same to the bottom. Then blend that together. Then I use a baby wipe to clean that first color that I applied on my lip. Then applied a nude color in the middle of my lip. Blend that together with the same brush. I blend that into the nude. Just bang. Make sure it's well blended. Check every area. Make sure the two colors are well blended together. And that is it. That is your ombre lip. Then straight to the gloss. You can use any gloss of your choice. So I scoop that out and use the same lip brush that I used to apply the lip stain to apply the lip gloss. Can you see how glossy this is? So make sure you get that gloss to every part of the lip. You don't want some parts to be matte and the other area glossy. So that is it, guys, for the lip tutorial. Just hope you guys learn one or two from it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later. So guys, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.